Hello my dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Math Skill. In this session, let's solve a MCQ from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, and this MCQ is for International Maths Olympiad or IMO. The numerical what we are going to solve is if alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees, then the value of cos alpha multiplied by cosecant beta plus tan alpha multiplied by tan beta minus secant alpha multiplied by sin beta is what we have to find out. There are 4 options given. Now let us see how to solve the problem. So here it is given that alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. Let's note down the given data, that is it is given that alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees or beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. Upon transpose of plus alpha towards RHS, it would be minus alpha. Therefore, beta is equal to 90 minus alpha. Let's note down the expression which is given, that is cos alpha multiplied by cosecant beta plus tan alpha multiplied by tan beta minus secant alpha multiplied by sin beta. In place of beta that we have 3 times here, let us make a replacement. That is, we will be making replacement for 3 terms here. That is, let's replace beta by 90 minus alpha. That is, the first term would remain as it is, cos alpha, tan alpha, and secant alpha. All 3 terms are remaining as it is, whereas the second term, that is cosecant beta, in place of cosecant beta it is replaced as cosecant of 90 minus alpha, similarly tan of 90 minus alpha and sin of 90 minus alpha. We know the trigonometric identities for complementary functions, that is sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta and tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. Similarly, cosecant of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Now let us apply the formulas here. Therefore, in place of a cosecant of 90 minus alpha, it is replaced with secant alpha by using the trigonometric identity for complementary angles. And tan of 90 minus alpha is cot alpha and sin of 90 minus alpha is cos alpha. Now we have the 2 terms. First term is cos alpha multiplied by secant alpha. Last term is secant alpha multiplied by cos alpha. So both the terms are one and the same, but with opposite sign. Let's cancel these 2 terms. That is, we would be left with only the middle term, that is tan alpha multiplied by cot alpha. In place of a cot alpha, which is a reciprocal of tan, so therefore we made a replacement as 1 by tan alpha. That is tan alpha multiplied by 1 by tan alpha. Now tan alpha in numerator and tan alpha in denominator would get cancelled. We would be left with only number 1. Therefore, LHS cos alpha multiplied by cosecant beta plus tan alpha multiplied by tan beta minus secant alpha multiplied by sin beta is equal to 1. So this is the solution what we have to find out. Therefore, the answer for this particular MCQ is option B, that is 1. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.